to the world, our cricket quiz for bright college students from all over India. Good prizes as well. The winners today get a gift voucher of 5,000 rupees from Louis Philippe, and the overall winner at the end of this whole quiz gets to go and watch cricket at the Champions Trophy. Remember, from today, 2 qualifiers in here. So BITS Pilani, you're on 10. Your first stop is to get ahead of, first objective is to get ahead of Symbiosis Law School. You're on 24. College of Engineering, Gindi. You know what they say in cricket, you sit back and you get a kick up the backside. You're on 36, so you might be looking good at the moment, but who knows what happens, because our next round is called Slog Overs. In Slog Overs, we've got 3 sets of questions: doubles, boundaries and sixes. Questions get asked directly. If you don't answer your question, then it carries over for half the mark. So doubles get 1, boundaries get 2s, but on sixes the carryover question are 4s. So lots of points, that's the key here. Lots of points to be scored very quickly. That's why it's called Slog Overs. We're going to start with you, BITS Pilani. You're on 10, 14 behind Symbiosis Law School. Here's your double. If you get this, you inched 2 runs closer. Here we go. Which team's first one-day international victory was against India at New Delhi's Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in 1991-92? BITS Pilani.
Sri Lanka.
Question passes. Symbiosis, Zimbabwe. Question passes. College of Engineering, Gindi, South Africa. Did you say Zimbabwe first?
South Africa.
You said South Africa. The answer was South Africa when they came on that tour of India in 91-92. They played at the Eden Gardens, they played in Gwalior, and then they won in Delhi. So you get a single, College of Engineering, Gindi. Symbiosis Law School, your chance to pick up a double here. Here we go. Here's your question. Who is the only player to score a century on debut in the Ranji Trophy, the Duleep Trophy and the Irani Trophy? Sachin Tendulkar, absolutely. Sachin Tendulkar was the answer. Symbiosis Law School picked up an easy little double, hitting to the gap and running back hard for a second. Well done. Now, College of Engineering, Gindi, you've got to hit your double here. Here's your question. Which future India captain skippered an Indian team for the first time at the 1998 Commonwealth Games? College of Engineering, Gindi, give me an answer.
Rahul Dravid.
Question passes. Symbiosis, Pune, Jadeja. Yes, Sajay Jadeja, it was. So, an additional little single to Symbiosis Law School. Pune, we've come to the end of our doubles. Let's start ahead with the boundaries now. BITS Pilani, your next question, the first in our series of boundaries. Here we go. This cricketer made his debut in New Zealand in early 1981 as a replacement for an injured Dilip Doshi. He picked up 15 wickets in 3 tests with the ball and scored 48 runs as a lower order batsman. Who is this cricketer? You may answer, no negatives.
Roger Binny.
Question passes. Gindi went first. Question passes. Symbiosis.
Maninder Singh.
Oh, when he discovers that no one got his name right, he's going to be very, very depressed. Ravi Shastri. The answer was, of course, Ravi Shastri. Let's go to Symbiosis Law School, Pune. Here's your 4-runner boundary. Who captained Zimbabwe? Since you like Zimbabwe. Who captained Zimbabwe in the team's first ever test match versus India in 91-92 at Harare and scored 100?
Dave Houghton.
The answer was Dave Houghton. Yes, it was. You picked up your boundary. That means, any pressure on you at all, College of Engineering, Gindi? Don't sit back and say 2 qualifiers here, we're there. You've got to try and come first. Here we go. Here's your boundary. Who was man of the series in the LG Cup in Kenya in 1999 in his first international series?
Vijay Bharadwaj.
What was the 2 of you doing before that? Vijay Bharadwaj, they were so excited they were going to get it right. I thought they were going to start punching each other, but that's what happens sometimes. Vijay Bharadwaj it was, and that was a pretty good boundary as well. It could have been tricky, LG Cup, long back, 1999. But now, we're into one final opportunity. 6s here. BITS Pilani, 6s. Here is your 6er. In the 1990-91 Ranji Trophy final, Bombay, as it was then called, lost by 3 runs despite a brilliant unbeaten century by Dilip Vengsarkar. Who beat Bombay in that match? Their only Ranji Trophy title.
Punjab.
Question passes on the buzzer. Symbiosis. Bengal. Not Bengal. Gindi.
Jammu and Kashmir.
Jammu and Kashmir. You know, in today's environment, wouldn't that be a fantastic politically correct thing to say? The The answer was Kapil Dev's Haryana. The answer is Kapil Dev's Haryana. A lot of players from Haryana were coming up then, and that was the answer. BITS Pilani, you missed out on your sixer, but Symbiosis Law School, here's your sixer coming up. The Australia versus Pakistan test match at Perth in March 1979 occupies a special place in cricket history. Why? It's a milestone. There's a milestone. Why don't you tell me what that milestone is?
Was it the three people retired after last night? Greg Chappell, Rodney Mark.
5 years too soon. 5 years too soon. That happened in 84. Anyone on the buzzer? BITS Pilani.
Was it the heavy metal incident?
That heavy metal.
Dennis Lilly when
the aluminium one. No, it wasn't. College of Guinea. There's no one going for it.
Was it the 100?
It's like it's 100th test match in test match history, not necessarily the 100th.
I don't know if it goes far too back in history for you. Did you know there used to be 8-ball overs in test cricket? The last test match with 8-ball overs, that was Australia versus Pakistan test match. The last time we had 8-ball overs in test cricket. So there you are, just one question left now, and that's a sixer going to the team that's leading at this stage. College of Engineering Guindy, you're probably through anyway, but I'd like it if you give this everything you've got. Let's see if you can get this one. This player scored a double hundred in his first test, taking 777 minutes, the slowest double century in test history. Unfortunately, he played only 3 more tests for his country without much success, though he made a name as a slog hitter in one-day cricket. Which player are we talking about?
Brendan Kurupu.
Show me a little more energy. It's the last question. Little more energy. Come on.
Brendan Kurupu.
Yes, it was Brendan Kurupu. It was. The champions finished in style with a 6 of the last ball in slog overs. Let's take a look then at what our leaderboard looks like. So in third place today, young men from BITS Pilani finishing with 10 points. In second place, Symbiosis Law School from Pune. They got 31 points, and winners today, the College of Engineering from Guindy with 47. Well done. I've got little presentations to make to you guys. Right, bad luck, but I hope you enjoyed the experience. I hope you have a little more fun going back. Right, Symbiosis Law School, Pune. 31 today, you're a better team than that. No prize today, but at least you've qualified to the next round, so you're alive. And our winners today, College of Engineering Guindy, very well done, 47 is a very good score. And you've got a certificate, gift vouchers worth 5,000 rupees from Louis Philippe. You wear proper shirts next time you go to interviews. Okay, there you are then. College of Engineering Guindy have won this round of Champions of the World. They go through to the next round, as indeed do Symbiosis Law School from Pune. Lots of good teams waiting for us there. Until then.